When used in moderation, clove, a well-liked spice for its distinct flavor and therapeutic qualities, can provide a number of health benefits. But excessive clove use can have a number of unfavorable consequences that are frequently disregarded. The possible dangers and adverse effects of consuming more cloves than is advised are covered in detail in this video. People can take control of their consumption of this aromatic spice and protect their health and well-being by being aware of the risk associated with overindulging in cloves. Excessive clove consumption. Let's say you have an obsession with cloves and find yourself sprinkling them on everything from your midnight snack to your morning coffee. But wait, before you add too many cloves to your food, let's discuss the possible consequence of doing so. So now we are going to look at the possible health dangers of overindulging in cloves. Yeah, I know we have already mentioned in our previous videos on the clove series on the different benefits that you derive or get from consuming clove. But I believe that it is unfair if we look at the benefit you get from consuming clove and you don't talk about the consequence of over consuming this clove. It's just not balanced. So let's go straight to the video. The first consequence or the first danger we are going to be looking at is your GI distress and stomach discomfort. And overabundance of cloves can make your stomach feel worse than a cat who discovers its toy mouse isn't real. Consider gas, bloating, and general discomfort is similar to your digestive tract, raising an alarm about the invasion of cloves. 2. Hepatic injury and toxicology. If you consume too many cloves, your liver may become overworked and begin to exhibit symptoms of protest, such as weariness and jaundice. Your liver can only take so much clove before it starts to feel crowded, just like when you pack too many people into a small or limited space. 3. Digestive problems caused by overindulgence in cloves. Reflux of acid and heartburn. Imagine this after a dinner rich in cloves, you are having a nice evening when all of a sudden your chest feels like it's holding its own fireworks. That's right, overindulging in cloves can raise the temperature in your stomach and cause some serious heartburn episode, which I'm sure you don't want to experience. Diarrhea and stomach cramps is another point under this. You may think you are helping your digestive system by putting it through its paces, but going overboard can send your intestines into emergency mode, resulting in unexpected bathroom trips and stomach cramps. Impact on cardiovascular health. Cloves have the ability to upset your blood pressure, causing it to swell like a teen romance drama. So the fourth point, which is under this cardiovascular health, is what we are looking at now. That is palpitations and arrhythmias in the heart. Even though your heart is the actual MVP, sometimes it needs a break. Eating too many cloves can cause your heart to race, giving you butterflies in your stomach that you most surely did not ask for. It resembles the attempt of your heart to dance to a beat it has never heard before. 5. Gum irritation and tooth sensitivity. An excessive amount of clove consumption may cause gum irritation and increased tooth sensitivity. It tastes like a fairy wake-up call for your mouth. The sixth point is mucosal irritation and ulcers in the mouth. Overindulging in cloves can also result in irritation of your mouth mucous membranes and oral ulcers. No one desires a fairy surprise inside. So the seventh point we are looking at is sensitivities and allergic reactions. So itching and skin rashes is what we are looking at under this point. If cloves irritate your skin, you may have skin rashes and itching. It resembles an uninteresting game of hot red dots. What is the itching? Then the eighth point is allergic reactions and breathing problems. Overconsuming clove can, in rare circumstances, result in serious allergic reactions such as, having breathing problem. Your body is essentially saying, whoa, that's too much spice for me. The ninth consequence or danger of taking too much clove is anticoagulants as well as ons, possibly harmful drug interactions. It is best to speak with your healthcare physician before combining anticoagulants and thinners with cloves, since they may interact with, you know, each other. Like a game of let's not mess with your blood clothing, okay? Between cloves and medications. The tenth point that we are looking at is insulin and anti-diabetic medications. Your blood sugar levels may be impacted by clove if you take insulin or anti-diabetic drugs. It's similar to medicines and cloves engaging in a fairy dance battle over glucose regulation. So you have to be very careful to note these points before you overconsume clove. It is important that you know this. So moderation and suggestions for consuming cloves. What are the guidelines for safe dosage? When using cloves, abide by the suggested dosage to prevent like to prevent unpleasant side effects or to prevent you from having allergic reactions that could impact your health negatively. So it's similar to following a recipe, a dish ruined by too much clove. Advice for moderate use of cloves. To reap the benefit of cloves without the downsides, combine them with other herbs and spices for a more well-rounded flavor. It's similar like discovering the ideal balance of spices in your cooking. In summary, cloves can be a useful addition to recipes and natural medicines, but it's important to use them sparingly to minimize any possible health hazards. People can continue to profit from cloves without jeopardizing their health if they are aware of how much they eat and pay attention to the warning signs or indications of overindulging. Remain aware, maintain balance, and enjoy close benefits in a responsible and safe way. So guys, thank you. We have come to the end of this video. But before you go, I would like you to take a moment to leave a comment below for me to know if you have gained value from this video or not. And also, I would also like to know if you have experienced any side effects or allergic reactions from over consuming cloves. And also, I would like you to take just a few seconds to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do that, and also please, it will not take much of your time to share it so that other people around you can also benefit from this video. Many people are taking clothes, but they don't know too much of it can actually have an adverse effect on their health. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I really do appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. All right, take care of yourself.